In this video, you will learn that how to make password-based circuit breaker. So let's make the circuit. Pick the component from here. First of all, pick the Arduino Uno. Double click on it. Now choose the LCD. I'm choosing the 20 cross 4. So this is the 20 cross 4. Now choose the LCD. Sorry, the keypad. And with the help of this keypad, we will enter the password with the help of this. Double click on it. Now choose the relay module. Double click on it. Now choose the alternator as a AC power supply. Double click on it. Now choose the lamp. Double click on it. Now make the circuit. First of all, place the Arduino. Now connect the LCD with it. And make the connection as I am doing. Now connect the ground and VCC with it. With the Arduino as well. Connect power with the LCD, Arduino and LCD. Now pick the keypad, place it here and connect all the pins of this keypad with Arduino wirelessly. So how to connect these? Pick this one and connect it with the connect it here. Connect all these like this and connect these with these pins as well. Make a copy of this. Now connect these pins wirelessly as well. So rotate it and place it here. Make a copy of it. Now connect it with pin 7, 6, 5. This is 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. So give the pin numbers. This is pin 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. So connect all these pins like this. Connect this with 0. This means that this is connected to 0 pin of Arduino. And if you don't know how to connect pin wirelessly in Proteus, so you can watch my video. Link is available in the description. And from there you can learn more about how to connect pins wirelessly in Proteus. So connect this with 1, 2, 3, 4, sorry, 5, 6 and 7. Now pick the relay module, alternator. Choose the alternator, place it here. Now choose the relay and connect it with the alternator. Now pick the lamp. Connect the alternator with a lamp like this. Now connect the relay with the ground. Connect the pins of Arduino, an ART pin of Arduino like this wirelessly. So give the pin number and now connect it with a relay. So this means that relay will be connected with an ART pin of Arduino. Double click on it and make the voltage of the relay as a 5. Make the voltage to 20 and change the frequency. Now circuit is almost ready. So let's bring it to the center. Zoom it to a specific area. So here you can see that all the connection are completed. Let me zoom it to a specific area. So here your circuit is almost ready now. So let's check the code. And here you can see that the keypad is connected with LCD. Sorry, the Arduino. LCD is also interfaced with Arduino, and the relay is also interfaced with a NOT of the Arduino. So now here you can see the code, and the by default code or password is 1234. So you can change from here. Now run it, and let's wait for its compilation. So now copy the hex file address from here. Press Ctrl C and paste it in the Arduino. Now click on OK. Now run the simulation. So here you can see the bright light, my channel name, and the information. It's saying that password based circuit breaker. So this is the project name, password based breaker, and here it's saying that to press C to on and X to off the circuit breaker. So let's press the C, and here it's saying that enter code and press equal. So let me enter the code 1 2 3 and 4. Let me press this, and here you can see successful. You can see the relay is now turned on, and here you can see the supply is turned on. The lamp is now turning on, and here you can see the information on LCD. Breaker is on, so it's saying the status of the breaker, and saying that press X to off the breaker. So let me press this, and it's saying that breaker is off. Press C to on the circuit breaker. Let me press this, and now let me enter the wrong password. So let me enter the wrong password and then press the equal nishan. So here it's saying that wrong password. Press C and try again. So while entering the wrong password, it will not be turned on, and it will say the message wrong password. And let me try again. Press C and enter the correct password. So here you can see the relay is turned off now. The lamp is also turned off. So let me enter the password, and now press this equal. So here you can see the relay is turned on, and also the lamp is turned on now. The information on LCD can be also be seen. Breaker is on. Press X to off the breaker. So now let me press this, and here you can see breaker is off. Here as well you can see that breaker is now turned off, and the power supply is now turned off. So in this way you can make the password based circuit breaker. The circuit diagram and code link is available in the description. You can download from there. If you like the project, please subscribe my channel, like and share the video. Visit my channel for more videos related to Arduino. Thanks for watching.